If you're feeling a little uncertain about your future, maybe you've got some dreams, but no clear path to follow, this video is for you. I'm going to share one simple ChatGPT prompt that helped me zoom out, understand where I stand, and start designing a life vision I actually believe in. Stick around because I've got the exact prompt linked in a Google Doc below for you to try yourself. So a bit about me. I've spent the last year using ChatGPT not just to check off tasks, but to really dig into who I am, what I value, what I want, and where I'm actually headed. It's been a game changer, and I think it can be for you too. Here's the thing, in this video, I'm not just talking about setting goals. I'm sharing a way to create a bigger picture, a vision that feels real enough to move toward. And it all starts with one simple exercise. For a long time, I thought I was doing everything right. I'd set goals, cross things off my to-do list, and stay busy. But deep down, I felt lost. No matter how much I got done, I wasn't sure where I was going. Like, who would I even be in a year or two? I was solving small problems, but I wasn't moving toward anything that really mattered to me. Then I tried something different. I stopped asking ChatGPT how to get more done and started using it to ask better questions. And that's when things clicked. I want to walk you through exactly what I did, why it works, and how you can try it too. First, let's talk about the big idea here. Building a life vision isn't about guessing what might happen. It's about designing something that fits your deeper purpose, your why. I got this idea from Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why. He says understanding your why, your deeper reason for doing things, gives every decision meaning. That really stuck with me. It made me realize I needed to find my own why before I could plan a future with strategy, not just motion. Here's the challenge. Most of us don't even know what our vision is. We're so caught up in daily routines, work, errands, notifications, that we never step back to think, why am I doing this? And even when we do have dreams, they can feel impossible, or we just don't know where to start. That's where zooming out comes in. When you zoom out, you're not just reacting to problems. You're seeing the whole board, like a grandmaster in chess. You're not chasing the next quick win. You're thinking 5 moves ahead. Where do you want to be in a year, 6 months, next month? And then you plan deliberately. To do that, you need to study yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, your threats, because your life isn't random, it's a pattern. Your past wins and struggles, they're not just history, they're data, and that data can help you design a future that's yours. So here's the exact exercise I used. I opened ChatGPT and typed this prompt. Act as a reflective coach. Help me create a personal SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to clarify my life vision. Ask me questions one by one to explore each area. That's it. Simple but powerful. I've linked the full prompt in a Google Doc below so you can copy it easily. Here's how it works. ChatGPT will ask you things like, what are you naturally good at? Or what's holding you back right now? Don't worry if you can't answer everything right away. I couldn't either. If you don't know, just type I don't know, and ChatGPT will nudge you forward. Sometimes its response will spark an idea you didn't expect. And if you want to see me run through the entire process step by step, check out my previous video, how I used AI to map my life strategy. I'll link it up here and in the description. For me, I always knew my weaknesses. Trust me, I could list those all day, but my strengths, my opportunities, I wasn't so sure. This exercise helped me see them clearly. It's not a magic shortcut, but it's a solid place to start. Why does this work? Because it forces you to slow down and reflect. Second, don't stress about answering every question perfectly. Skip the tough ones and come back later. And third, save your answers in a doc. Revisit them in a week or a month. You'll be amazed at how your thoughts evolve. Oh, and here's a bonus use case. You can tweak this prompt for smaller decisions too. Like if you're choosing a career path or starting a project, just add focus on my career or focus on this project. It's super versatile. This ChatGPT exercise is a simple way to start that journey. Ready to try it? Grab the full prompt in the Google Doc linked below and give it a go tonight. It's just one step, but it could be the start of something big. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe for more ways to use AI to level up your life. Drop a comment and let me know.